Hey, what is going on, guys? So in today's video, we are gonna be going drifting with Roman, and I don't know, we're just gonna go sliding. We both just got welded diffs not too long ago, so should be kind of fun. We're gonna go to a nice little spot in Mexico, but should be pretty good. Yeah, I'm not stance anymore, so I'm actually really about to take the highway, motherfucker. Probably another 10 minutes to Roman's. I'm on the highway right now, which is probably the worst idea, but that was literally the bridge I broke my oil pan on, and yeah, it felt good to just kind of roll over that shit.
Just a real quick send it.
Real quick sender.
Oh, fuck.
Drop the top.
Racer number 2, Mr. Roberto.
Watch, I'm about to get whacked. Did it?
I noticed that as soon as I whipped it, I just lost power too.
No way.
Yeah, my belt was heated off. Is it broken? What the fuck?
But it wasn't that tight.
Not tight enough?
Maybe. Like,
shit, man.
God damn.
Already broke that shit. Yeah, it's kind of harder without power steering.
Oh yeah.
Dude, I just can never not work on this car. I could try and send it again though.
That was sick. He was on it.
See, they're just chilling over there. They're straight chilling.
No power steering with it.
See, I don't need no belt. But he needs a seatbelt.
Fuck yeah, dude. Oh my. Look at Emmett over. He's just like, oh shit. That was pretty fucking nice, dude.
My man's tires all over the fucking.
Yeah. Oh my. Is this all tire? Like,
Yes.
oh my god.
Yo!
Look at that. Oh my god. Is that like dry rot as shit or something?
Oh, bro, this is like straight tread. Like, yo!
Oh my god. That's so funny.
And look at the remainder of your tread. Just splattered. I was trying to get your attention because I seen that shit start to fly off. I don't know if this is fresh. That's liquid.
That's from someone. Is that my car?
Yeah, this is.
Oh, is that that just tread?
Yeah, I'm trying to get your attention.
Is that just true? Oh my god.
And then look, you just keep driving around. You better hope that's not.
That's probably me, man.
It's overheating.
Is it?
Well, it's like 3/4.
Okay. Damn, son. Damn. Dude, you still got. Oh, yeah. There's like a chunk missing out of this tire. Holy. That's so funny. Yeah, I really did lose power steering, or at least my belt popped off. As soon as I clutch kicked it, literally as soon as I clutch kicked it, it literally popped off, so that fucking sucks. It's kind of nice having power steering for a little bit, but now it's gone. Rome with the E. It's kind of dark.